हाँ फ्रेंड्स, तो गुजरात यूनिवर्सिटी the questions are, I'm writing down the question first. So friends, this is the question. This was asked in Gujarat University 2014 in TY BCom for the chapter marginal costing. That Path Limited gives you the following information. Selling price is given 90 rupees. The margin of safety is there 45%. PV ratio 30% and sales unit 45,000. And from the above information, you have to calculate the only one thing, and that is the amount of net profit, right? Khali net profit tamare find karvano cha from this 4 information. So friends, first of all, information analyze karo to selling price is given 90 rupees per unit and sales units are also given. If we will multiply our sales unit with the selling price, we will get the amount of sales. So first sales calculate kari liye friends. So write down sales, which is 45,000 multiplied by 90. So 45,000 multiplied by 90. So the sales is 40 lakh 50,000 rupees. 40 lakh 50,000 rupees, right? Sales mali gau friends. Find karvano cha net profit. So net profit find karva mate kai matlab kaya formula no use karishu એ બહુ જ important છે. તો અહીંયા આ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન ને જોતા માર્જિન ઓફ સેફટી નો એક સોરી પીવી રેશિયો નો એક ફોર્મ્યુલા છે, અગર તમને યાદ હોય તો પીવી રેશિયો ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ પ્રોફિટ અપોન માર્જિન ઓફ સેફટી. એ ફોર્મ્યુલા ને યુઝ કરી અને આપણે નેટ પ્રોફિટ ફાઇન્ડ કરી શકીએ છીએ. સો પહેલા માર્જિન ઓફ સેફટી છે, એ માર્જિન ઓફ સેફટી જે પર્સન્ટેજ ના ફોર્મમાં છે ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, એને પહેલા રૂપીઝ ના ફોર્મમાં કન્વર્ટ કરી દઈએ. So margin of safety is given 45%. 45% of which value? So 45% of sales we will consider. So write down margin of safety. That is equal to 40 lakh 50,000 multiplied by 45%. So margin of safety mali jasa, which is 18 lakh 22,500 rupees. So margin of safety is 18 lakh 22,500 rupees, right? Margin of safety ni value mali difference. Sales mali go, sales na basis upar apne margin of safety find kari lidu, and now we can put the formula of PV ratio. That PV ratio is equal to profit upon margin of safety. Profit upon margin of safety. Now put the values in this. PV ratio that is already given in the question, 30%. Then profit. So that profit we want to find divided by margin of safety. So ये हमने जब find करी that margin of safety is 18 lakh 22,500. Now if you want to find the profit, transfer this 18 lakh 22,500 on this side. So we can write profit is equal to 18 lakh 22,500 multiplied by 30%.
Five lakh 46,700,
which is Very good, which is 5,46,750 rupees. So the question is over. Only one thing, net profit find करवानो હતું, and that we found. Now friends, we will going to solve the another question, which is again of Gujarat University 2014 question. This was asked in Gujarat University 2014 for marginal costing. Right. I am writing again the detail of the question over here, then we will solve it. So friends, this is the question of 2014. Dishita Limited gives you the following information. Sales units are there, 60,000, PV ratio is given at the rate 30%. Break even sales is 19,80,000. Selling price is also given 60 rupees. And તમારે find કરવાનું છે fixed expense, variable expense, margin of safety, then present profit and sales that to earn for the profit of 9,72,000 rupees. Right. So આ પાંચ વસ્તુઓ find કરવાની છે. शुरुआत करिए with the first point, fixed expense. Now again detail ने refer करो, right, that from which value we can find the fixed expense. So friends, question ने जो ध्यान दी जो वो तो break even sales तमने आपेलू है, and you know the formula for break even sales. That formula is fixed expense upon PV ratio. So that formula we can apply and we can find the fixed expense very quickly. Write down the first point, that is fixed expense. So friends, this fixed expense we will find with the help of break-even sales. Formula for break-even sales is fixed expense divide by PV ratio. So now fixed expense find करवानु है. Break-even sales is already given 19,80,000. So we can put the value over there in the place of break-even sales. Then fixed expense we will write as it is because that we want to find, divide by PV ratio. So see in the question PV ratio is given 30%. Now friends, transfer this 30% on this side. So very easily you will get the amount of fixed expense. So fixed expense is equal to 19,80,000 multiplied by 30%. 19,80,000 multiplied by 30%, and the value is 5,94,000 rupees. So बहुत easily fixed cost वाली गई 5,94,000 rupees. Clear? હવે friends find કરવાનું છે, that is variable expense. Second point જે તમને question માં પૂછ્યો છે એ છે variable expense. Friends, variable expense find કરવાનું છે. હવે variable expense find કરવા માટે PV ratio ની help લઈએ. So variable cost ratio is equal to 100 minus PV ratio, because the total of PV ratio and variable cost ratio is equal to 100. So if we want to find the variable cost ratio, we have to deduct the PV ratio from 100. So variable cost ratio is 100 minus PV ratio, which is 100 minus 30. So the answer is 70%. So friends, our variable cost ratio is 70%, and this percentage to be applied on the sales. So selling price is also given for that. जो question में selling price 60 rupees आपेली है, and on that we will apply the 70%. So we can write variable expense is equal to 60, which is selling price, multiplied by 70%. So it is 42 rupees per unit. So our answer for variable expense is 42 rupees per unit. Now 42 rupees per unit આવ્યું, and variable expense question માં કીધું છે કે find the variable expense. It's not given that you have to calculate per unit or in the total. So આપણે બંને calculate કરીને આપી દઈએ. Clear? Sales units પણ question માં તમને આપેલા છે. Variable cost per unit મળી ગયું. Now write down total variable expense is equal to 60,000 multiplied by 42. So 60,000 are the number of units and 42 a per unit variable cost is हमने अपने find करी. So final answer for this variable expense is 25,20,000. So friends, let's move on the third topic or the third point, which is given in your question, that find the margin of safety. You know the formula for margin of safety. Margin of safety no formula છે actual sales minus break even sales. So actual sales minus break even sales will put the formula. Actual sales minus break even sales. This is the formula for this margin of safety. Friends, actual sales matlab question my actual sales clearly nathi આવ્યું, but you can see that sales units are given and selling price is also there. So selling price and sales unit both are given. We can multiply it. So 60,000 are the units and 60 rupees is the selling price per unit. So 60,000 multiplied by 60 minus break even sales. So break even sales the question ma clearly aapyu che that it is 19,80,000. So make the calculation 60,000 into 60, which is 36 lakh minus 19,80,000.
16,20,000.
So it is 16,20,000. So from 16,20,000 is the amount of margin of safety. So friends, margin of safety is clear. Now go for the fourth point, which is again asked in your question, that we have to calculate present profit. Now how can we find the present profit? So friends, one formula we have already studied in this, that profit is equal to sales multiplied by PV ratio minus fixed cost or fixed expenses. So the sales, here friends, we will consider the actual sales. Actual sales question માં આપ્યું નથી, but હમણાં જ આપણે margin of safety માં actual sales find કર્યું, and it is 36 lakh. So sales is 36 lakh. PV ratio is already given 30%. Minus fixed expense. Again, fixed expense friends question માં આપ્યા નથી, but first point માં હમણાં જ આપણે fixed expense find કર્યા હતા. It is 5,94,000. So make the 30% of this 36 lakh. It is 10,80,000. Okay. Minus 5,94,000 fixed cost. So 10,80,000 minus 5,94,000 as a fixed cost. Your present profit is 4,86,000 rupees. Very good, friends. So the final answer for this present profit is 4,86,000 rupees. Okay, friends. So now we'll move to the last point, that is fifth point, and we have to find the sales to earn the profit of rupees 9,72,000. So friends, if you want to find the sales to earn the profit of 9,72,000, you have to use the formula of expected profit. So write down expected profit. The formula is fixed expense plus profit divide by PV ratio. So friends, your fixed expense is 5,94,000 rupees. જે હમણાં જ આપણે first point માં find કર્યો. Then plus profit. So profit is given in the point number 5, that business want to earn the profit of 9,72,000. That the Shita Limited wants to earn the profit of 9,72,000 divided by PV ratio, and it is 30%. Now calculate this. So 5,94,000 is your fixed cost plus 9,72,000 is the amount of profit. So the total is
15,66,000.
15,66,000 divide by 30%.
2,20,000.
15,66,000 divided by 30%, and it is 52,20,000. Final answer is 52,20,000. Friends, આટલું સેલ કરો ને 52,20,000 rupees નું સેલ કરો, at that point you will be able to earn the profit of 9,72,000 rupees. 52,20,000 ના સેલ્સ પર તમને 9,72,000 નો પ્રોફિટ થાય.